Nowadays, people are, the genuine cases are not being registered, false exaggerated cases are being registered. People are running around for the many years, 25 years, 30 years, 40 years for the crime which they have not committed. What is this happening in this country? Why it is happening? And it is being said by no less than by a Director General of Police himself. You don't feel that we can easily make this country crime free, where your case will be registered without going to Thana. Nobody would dare to report false case. There's a lot of technology which has already invented or which is already in place that would be used to collect the evidences with the participation of the public, and we will be having the evidence which today's police even cannot dream or think of it. Those evidence will be in place, and they will be logged with the hash value, so they will become infallible. Biswajit Sinha ji, are you listening this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very seriously, sir. Every words I am, I'm listening with great respect, sir.
And Mr. Biswajit, you have to understand that you need not to attend court. So the trial will be taking place through distributed video-based trial system. And in majority of the cases, trial would be completed and justice will be delivered within 3 days. 30 days will be the highest time. There will be no adjournment. There will be no dearth of the judges, because you, me, and everybody could be judge. Everybody could be advocates. Law will be rewritten uh, in a transformed atma. We need to transform the atma. Basically, it cannot be the same soul which was given by the law witnesses. That same sort of law will not continue, and it will be in the layman language. Why should be in the legal language? Why it should be legal language? So the trial would be complete within 30 days maximum, and justice will be delivered. Everybody would be anonymity, and not it is becoming buzzword. Why you should have enjoy anonymity at the cost of me, Mr. Biswajit Sinha? Why you should move anonymous on the street and creating a risk to my life? Can you do that? So there will be certainty of identity. If anybody want to move in a public, he must make it sure he should be recognized by the technology. अभी क्या हो रहा है? They are covering their face, this, that. The moment you will cover your face, or if that, or you have to make it sure that you are recognized, thereafter you can cover your face, right?
Sir.
I mean, you need not to be open face. I mean, you can even cover face also, but making it sure that you cover your face only after technology recognizes that Mr. Biswajit Sinha is on the road, right? If Mr. Sinha is moving without being recognized by the technology, it will raise hue and cry, and Mr. Biswajit Sinha will be arrested for the crime of anonymity. The person who will be arresting, he will be paid 10,000 rupees, that to be, which will be recovered, 20,000 would be recovered from Biswajit Sinha. Right? And that's so there will be certainty of identity, and there will be a fundamental right to the privacy also. So you will enjoy a fundamental right to privacy with only one limitation. The moment Biswajit Sinha would be committing a crime, your fundamental right to privacy will temporarily cease for some time, right?
Sir.
The system will report that crime. System will give all evidences with certainty, and within 30 days, Biswajit Sinha would be rotting in the jail. Do you want that system? Do you want this system? It is doable.
Yes,
And do you know, everybody in the process will be given revenues with a free hand. The revenue would be of the tune of the 5,000 to 1 crore rupees. And whatever the amount would be distributed, the magistrate would not be deciding the quantum of fine. Quantum of fine will be calculated. It will not be decided by the judge. It will be total sum which has been distributed multiplied by the 2 will be recovered. So if I distributed 5 crore, 10 crore will be recovered from Biswajit Sinha. Now tell me, with this revised thing, would Biswajit Sinha will ever dare to commit a crime?
No, sir.
So why should not happen? At present, what is happening? If I could get a little advantage of a renowned criminal, then if telephone call is suffice, and if Mr. Biswajit Sinha is not having the money, he will sell off his house and give the money whatever is demanded. Is that not true?
Yes, sir.
Why it is happening? Why it is happening? Why we can't have the totally transformed country? Do you know what we are saying? These farmers, Manani Narendra Modi ji is not keen in giving one MSP. Do you know what I am having to offer to my farmers? Would you like to listen?
Yes, sir.
I will be giving them one MSP gladly, and they need not to go to Mandi, and they need not to go any bureaucrats for selling their crops. Right? Whatever money they will be spending for the